Now we are on problem 24, which is actually a really cool problem from geometry. Isosceles triangle ABC has equal side lengths AB and BC. As you can see in the figures below, segments are drawn parallel to AC, the base AC, so that the shaded portions of triangle ABC have the same area. So in this figure, this parallel has been drawn to base AC to get this shaded area, and in this figure, this parallel has been drawn again to base AC to get this shaded area. And what we're told is that the shaded portions have the same area. So the heights of the two unshaded portions are 11 and 5 units. So this height here is 11 and this height here is 5. What is the height h, the total height of triangle ABC? That is what we have to find. Now let's say that the area of this isosceles triangle ABC is, let's call it delta. Now from what we just saw, the ratio of the area of this smaller triangle, let's call this MN. So the ratio of BMN to BAC will be the square of the ratio 11 by the total height h. So the smaller triangle to the larger triangle, the ratio of areas will be 11 by h whole square, which means that the area of the smaller triangle is 11 by h whole square times delta, and therefore the area of this shaded region is delta minus 11 by h whole square delta. All right. And what about this shaded area over here? So this height is h minus 5. So the ratio of areas of this triangle and this, let's call this P and Q. So BPQ to BAC will be h minus 5 by the total height h. So h minus 5 by h whole square. So that's the ratio, which means that the area of BPQ will be this term multiplied by the total area delta. So now we have written the area of this shaded region and the area of this shaded region as these expressions. So all we need to do now is to equate these expressions. So let's do that. So we'll have delta minus 11 by h whole square delta is equal to h minus 5 by h whole square delta. So you can quickly see that we just cross out the deltas from both sides. So what we'll get is 1 minus 11 square is 121 by h square is equal to, here we'll get h minus 5 whole square by h squares, and I've divided on both sides by delta. So these terms cancel out and I can move this minus 10h to the left side and I can move this minus 121 to the right side. So I'll get 10h is equal to 146, or h is 14.6. So A 14.6 is the answer in this case.